Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll explore a simple yet essential aspect of your computer or laptop, finding its model and serial number. Whether you're using Windows 8, 10, or 11, these quick commands in Command Prompt will unveil these details for you. First, let's find the serial number. Open Command Prompt by typing CMD in the Windows search bar and selecting Command Prompt. Once Command Prompt is open, simply type WMIC BIOS get serial number and hit Enter. And just like that, you'll see your device's unique serial number displayed right here. Now let's uncover the computer model. In the same Command Prompt window, type WMIC, CS product get name and hit Enter. The computer model information is right there on your screen. Remember, knowing your computer's model and serial number can be handy for various purposes, like warranty claims, technical support, or simply keeping track of your devices. And that's how you find your computer or laptop's model and serial number using Command Prompt in Windows 8, 10, or 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and tech savvy.